Welcome to Ask the Experts. I'm Frank, the Sales Engineering Manager at QCC, and today we want to do a short video about some of the other services that we provide at QCC. We also, in addition to manufacturing torches and tips and other gas distribution systems, like you can see our machine shop here, we also do repair work on our torches and systems. I want to share with you a torch we just received in for repair. You can see that we have a blown out tip, lots of rust and corrosion, damage, and what we will do is have our technicians assess it from the tip to the handle to determine if what needs to be repaired, what needs to be replaced or refinished. And then our technicians will expertly disassemble, reassemble, test, and then okay for service again the torches. And what you end up with is a like new torch. Then we have a fully repaired torch ready to go back out in the field. For this example, what we did was replace the head because it was leaking, recondition the tubing where necessary, replace the valve assembly in the handle, and then test it in our pressure test environment and flame test it. So that was just one of the services that we provide in addition to manufacturing brand new products for our scrap and steel cutting customers. If you have any needs for service or torches, please don't hesitate to give us a call or check us out at qccmfg.com.